The purpose of this project is to create a resettable target for the pistol portion of a 3-gun competition, as well as to create a shot timer in order to be able to accurately gauge how quickly you're completing the course.
So in our control box, we have a breadboard with our button attached to it, which actually resets the targets. We have our Arduino holding our code, and then we have our motor controller just hooked up to our power source, and then out to our cables. And this is big enough to where we can wind up all of our power lines, tuck them inside, put our shot timer on, and then just close up the whole box and be good to go. So here's a close-up look at our shot timer. Obviously we have start. We can go and turn on the buzzer and start the timer. We have review, which will let you look at each individual shot, its split time, and then also a synopsis of everything. We have our par, which is essentially just a chaser clock for you to be able to set a timetable for yourself to race against. You have settings, which is the delay for the start. So we have random times, and then you can preset the time 1 to 10 seconds. You also have the rate of fire, which this is really just the draw. It ignores the first couple of sounds that it hears just so that you can get your pistol out of the holster. And then we also have the buzzer volume, which we can adjust, and then the sensitivity of the microphone. And then lastly is the echo reject. So the big thing about the echo reject is that it will ignore every sound after or in between this time frame. That way you're not picking up both the gunshot and the sound of the bullet hitting the target. And that's it. Let's go see it in action.
Shooter ready?
Ready. So after shooting your set, you can go through and you can see the individual split of every single one right over here. And then you also have the total time elapsed and which shot it's on. You can scroll through, or either you can go over, look at your average split, your average shots per minute, come back, and then you can scroll through every single shot, when it took place, so about 0.569 after drawing, and then you can see what the split time was between it and the first.